Hello, my name is David. I'm the owner and operator for a company called Supreme Seamless Rain Gutters here in Southern California. This is going to be a tutorial on an introduction to rain gutters, how to install rain gutters properly, how I do it, etc., etc. So, introduction begins with material. So there's basics, right? This is the gutter machine, okay? The material gets produced out of the front here from that coil there in the back, as you see. One cardinal rule is ever have anything small near the back of the machine. If anything gets inside of this machine, whoever owns it, me, needs to be told immediately. Cardinal rule. Okay, so here are downspouts. These are 2x3 corrugated. These are 3-inch round downspouts. Downspouts are a little different, but the concept is going to be the same. I'll introduce you how to install these. Okay, so if I say pull the downspouts, the 2x3s, you pull these. Say to pull the 3-inch round ones, that's this. If I tell you to pull the gutter, this is the rain gutter. This, as you can see, the shape is similar to what's here in the front. So if I ever say the face of the gutter, I'm talking about the angled part. This is the face. This is the back right here. Okay, so as I'm introducing you, presuming you are one of my trainees, but if not, welcome. Okay, so within this machine, in the van, there's a lot of different things, right? Won't see much of the saw. Leaf blower would be to clean up if we have a serious amount of debris, but we clean up, in this company, we clean up as we work. That being said, I'm going to introduce you also to different types of elbows, but we get to the job. First thing I want done is the van setup. So if we're pulling power, if we have access to cords, are right here, right? I have them in this aspen knot. I'll introduce you how to take care of this. Okay, this is the gutter stand. So how we get 40-foot long pieces of gutter out of a machine, you got to make sure that you keep integrity as it gets produced out of the machine. So, come with me. Okay. So that is how a gutter machine is set up. These aren't lined up. You'll line them up as the machine produces the material. Cones are set out to preserve space behind the van for when the gutter is being produced. Okay. So setting up, you're gonna want the stands out, get the cones out, make sure we preserve the space behind the van. Okay. This here is a puller tool. I'll show you how to use it right here. Okay. Now these are what are called elbows. Now, these are the elbows, right? This is an end cap. These go on the ends of the gutters. This is what I call an A elbow, right? Elbows have a different orientation. So there's an A. Okay. Here is a B elbow. As you can see, they have different orientations. So when I say A elbow, B elbow, okay. There's also offsets. This is an offset. Offset elbows are meant to help create like an angle around if we have like ledges or something like that. I'll say grab offset. So again, A elbow, B elbow, offset. Okay.